In this video, we will demonstrate the keyframe animation feature for 3D Cartesian plots in Tecplot 360. Keyframe animations allow you to easily animate a smooth progression through two or more specified views and export them as an animation. You can zoom, rotate, and translate in these animations. This tool can be used to create fly-around movies or first-person animations. This animation explores a fly-around of air flowing through a duct. To create a keyframe animation, select Animate, Keyframe Animation. Note that the keyframe animations can only be used in the 3D Cartesian plot type. Rotate and/or zoom the plot to the initial view for the animation, and select the Append button in the dialog. You can change the name of the view by selecting it in the keyframe box and editing the name in the View Name field of the dialog. Rotate and/or zoom the plot to the next view you wish your animation to include, and select the Append button to add that view to the end of the animation. Or you can select the Insert button to insert a view above the selected one in the list. These keyframes are snapshots of the view in Tecplot 360. So limit the rotations to 180 degrees or less between keyframes, or else the animation may not rotate as expected. Continue to rotate or zoom and select Append or Insert to add additional keyframes to your animation. If you want to replace a saved keyframe view with the current plot view, click the Update button. Because this is also a transient dataset, I can animate the solution time concurrently with the keyframes by selecting Options, Animate Time Concurrently. Time Animation Options lets us select from multiple time animation operations. When finished adding keyframes, select Animate All to perform a complete animation of your views, or Animate Selected to animate only the views selected in the keyframe box. Tecplot 360 will interpolate between the saved views to create an animation. To export an animation, change the destination from On-Screen to File. Then select the Animate All or Animate Selected to open the Export Options dialog. We recommend exporting to MPEG-4 format, as it offers a high quality to file size ratio, and it can play back on many media players. For more details, especially for concurrent time animation, check out the keyframe animation documentation in the user's manual. Keyframes are not saved with the layout, so to save your keyframe views, go to File, Save Animation File. To reopen your plot and keyframe animations after restarting Tecplot 360, open your saved layout and then in the Keyframe Animation dialog, click File, Open Animation File, and select the saved keyframes. The Keyframe Animation tool can also be helpful for users that want to save and return to multiple different views. Instead of creating an animation, you can simply append any important views you want of your layout and save them in a keyframe file. In the Keyframe dialog, to get back to a saved view, select the view and click Apply. This will snap the selected frame to your saved view. This concludes the tutorial for using the Keyframe Animation tool in Tecplot 360. Thank you for watching.